Pivot tables and pivot charts. Pivot tables are powerful data analysis tools that help summarize large datasets. They enable you to rotate and aggregate data fields, making it easier to analyze and visualize data. Pivot charts are visual representation of pivot tables, providing an interactive way to explore data trends. To summarize large dataset, pivot tables help identify trends and patterns. To interactive and dynamic, easily manipulate data to display different aspects. To customizable, change layout, appearance, and filters to suit needs. Data consolidation techniques. Data consolidation techniques involves combining data from multiple sources into a single dataset. Excel offers various techniques such as consolidate by position, combine data based on position in the dataset, consolidate by category, combine data based on category labels. GoalSeek and Scenario Manager. GoalSeek, a tool that finds the input value needed to achieve a specific output value in a formula. Scenario Manager, a feature that allows creating and managing different scenarios to analyze various outcomes. It helps evaluate multiple input values and their impact on output values. Introduction to Power Query. Power Query is a powerful tool for data transformation in analysis. It allows you to import data, connect to various data sources, transform data, clean and filter and shape data, load transform data into Excel. Creating dynamic and interactive dashboard. Dynamic dashboard provide real-time insight and enable data exploration. To create one, use pivot tables and pivot charts. Summarize and visualize data. Add slicer and timelines. Filter data for specific time, periods, or categories. Use formulas and function. Calculate key metrics and KPIs. Using slicers, timelines, and sparklines. Slicer. Interactive buttons that filter data in pivot tables and pivot charts. Timelines. Filter data by specific time periods. Sparklines. Mini charts that visualize trends in data.